Did you know that May 12th is International Nurses Day? It's not just a random date. It's the birthday of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Her legacy of compassion and innovation still lights the path for nurses today. Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy. Yes, she was named after the city itself. Raised in a wealthy family, she could have lived a life of luxury. But Florence had a Kalinga calling to serve and heal. In 1853, the Crimean War broke out. Florence volunteered to lead a team of 38 nurses to the front lines. What she saw was horrifying. Wounded soldiers lying in filthy conditions. But she didn't give up. She improved hygiene, organized care. And within 6 months, the death rate dropped by 2/3. She became known as the Lady with the Lamp, tirelessly walking through the night to care for soldiers. After the war, Florence didn't stop. She established the Nightingale Training School for Nurses in London. Her systematic approach to hygiene and patient care transformed nursing into a respected profession. Her book, Notes on Nursing, became the cornerstone of medical education. Thanks to her, nursing evolved from mere caretaking to a vital part of healthcare. To honor her legacy, the International Council of Nurses declared May 12th as International Nurses Day in 1974. Today, nurses around the world carry her spirit of compassion and dedication. From hospitals to war zones, Florence's lamp still shines brightly. Today, on International Nurses Day, let's remember the light that Florence Nightingale brought to the world. And let's thank the nurses who continue to shine that light every single day.